Rooster Man here. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Good. Now listen up here. I got something important to tell you. It appears that through all of my searching for my frog friend Walter, it has come to my attention that Walter was never stolen in the first place. Walter went MIA on his own. Yes, sir, on his own. What? Rooster Boy, get out of here. You see that dang Rooster Boy come through there trying to steal Rooster Man's thunder? You see that? Well, you better stay out of here. Anyway, after investigation, I turned the whole mess of deal over to that detective that they call the JD. And he been checking into it. Well, he found Walter down there in an undisclosed location on the beach, sitting in a beach chair, sipping on a cold iced beverage. Woo, Lord have mercy, Rooster Man is not happy with Walter right now. But anyway, after the further investigation, it has been brought to Rooster Man's attention that the reason that Walter up and left was because of unfair labor practices by the one they call Uncle Carrie up there ding up Kimmy's ring. Apparently, Walter was underpaid and overworked, and nothing he did was good enough for the one that sells the cars and trucks up there they call Uncle Carrie ding up Kimmy's ring. Now this is a travesty to run Walter off like that. But I got proof of where Walter was, and I'm going to show you a picture here in just a minute of what Walter been doing. Tell you what, does not make Rooster Man happy. I hope you are happy with yourself, Uncle Carrie, for running off the Walter up there on the 25 Highway North. And then trying to blame Rooster Man for the thieving of Walter. Not to mention trying to get the ransom and reward money out of Rooster Man. I just don't know what to think about that. I guess I'm just going to turn the rest of it over to the detective they call the JD and let him look into it some more. Until then, cock-a-doodle-doo, Rooster Man out. I gotta check on Rooster Boy, he's injured. Bye. Okay, the Rooster Boy is okay. He said he done patched it up, because he done stubbed his toe. So now that you're okay, Rooster Boy, what have you got to say for Uncle Carrie?